Hi, I will be talking about my promotional strategy for my business, Mega Design. Here is what I plan to do. My plan is to create an Instagram page to show my works and the services I got to offer. The page also contains my contact details for questions and business inquiries. The Instagram will also serve as a tool to notify my customers for any updates. Next is a manifestation of the plan. To increase my potential customers who visits my Instagram page, I will use another social media platform, which is the Fiverr. Fiverr is a website, which is fiverr.com, and also an app. It is a downloadable app for Android and iPhone. First, Fiverr, it is an online marketplace for media and graphic artists. Founded in 2010, the company is based in Europe and provides a platform for freelancers to offer services to customers worldwide. As of 2012, over 3 million services were listed on Fiverr. So here is my account on Fiverr. It is a new account, and here is what it looks like on the Fiverr app. So there contains a brief a description of my work, and also you can see here my Instagram page, which I get to promote. It also shows my mode of payment. For local clients is BDO and Palawan Express, and for international clients I would prefer PayPal. So going back, this site also shows how long have you been a graphic designer and what is your tools. So my tools primarily is just an Adobe Premiere Pro, and I have been practicing my skills for 2 years. It is also shown on that website. I think using this Fiverr website is a really good promotional strategy, because if I will pursue my target market, which is international clients, this will be a perfect platform for them to see my works and to have me on business. That's it. Thank you.